Good morning. I found it. Found him. Okay, so exaggerated. It's not really 4 gallons of coffee in here, but it's a nice big mug. So barely squeaked over $100 yesterday. Still better than the 83, and off to a whopping 1480 this morning, and it was all low value cards. About 4,000. I have about 4,000 airplane cards listed with multiple quantities. So what's that? It's like out of my 42,000, it's like 10% of my store. But there are days I will sell no airplane cards, none, and have like a $200 day, and none of them are airplane cards. And then like yesterday, I had a $100 day, and I think it was 13 or 14 of the 19 items that sold are airplane cards. Again, strange. So let's go ahead and get packing. I feel buggy. I took the trash out this morning. You ever walk face first into a spider web? Yeah, it was spread between my truck and like this big hydrangea plant. And I felt it up here, and then I felt it just wrap. As I kept walking, it like wrapped down around my head. So I am super buggy this morning. So, good way to start the morning. So it may be a short video, because I've already pulled the airplane cards. That's train cards. So I only have maybe 5 or 6 cards from my stash over here. First one, West Virginia. Hope I'm in the right section. Washington, yeah, okay, Oregon. What is it? A courthouse. I used to collect the courthouses I worked in. Uh-oh. Did we grab the right one? No. AC 21 versus AC 31. There's West Virginia. I have ChatGPT working on the thumbnail. We'll see. I threw in I think it's a funny prompt. I'll wait and see what it comes out to be. And I thought yesterday's thumbnail I thought it looked pretty cool. And there was a bot left a comment on it that it's like, "Hey, great video." Like, bullshit. You never watched it. Hey, I do. There was something like that. Hey, your thumbnail was lacking, and I do thumbnails for YouTube videos, and I can make them terrific, and blah blah blah. And I'm thinking, I think it did a pretty darn good job. And everybody's saying that AI is gonna take everybody's jobs and blah 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 and all that stuff. It's gonna rule the world. I don't know about that, but it can make some things. It really can make some things obsolete. Graphic designers. Oof, that'd be kind of tough. In a job right now, because ChatGPT, you can do it in seconds. Well, maybe not seconds, minutes, but yeah, we'll see what ChatGPT spits out. But I'll end up deleting that comment, because I hate the bot comments. And it used to bother me when people downvoted my videos. I'm like, you know what, fuck you, dude, or whoever. I put a lot of time and effort into, well, I don't put a lot of time or effort. I don't edit. I'll pause the video to gather my thoughts, and there'll be times I'm talking and it's not recording, and so I really don't put a lot of time in my videos. But yeah, it used to bother me when people downvoted, and I'm like, you know what, I'm definitely not everybody's taste. I always say that I'm kind of like orange juice after brushing your teeth. Definitely not an acquired taste. This is a Maine postcard. I keep forgetting to get a new packet of finger goo. Very scattered brain this morning. Main card. So I'm able to list these main cards. I can do about 100 an hour. When I'm really focused, and this is going to be one that's way in the back of this stack. And I don't sleeve them, and that's why I need some finger goo. There it is. Finally found it. So I don't even know where I was. Downvoting videos, and I put up some reels or shorts or whatever YouTube calls them, and I get so many downvotes, thumbs down on those, and it's like 9 seconds. Did 9 seconds piss you off? Is it that shitty? I don't know. I don't downvote usually. There's sometimes I do downvote or thumbs down. But I usually just think, okay, that wasn't for me, and move on. Had some airplane cards, people buying doubles and triples and quadruples. Someone really liked the Concorde jet. Like 5 cards bought. But yeah, if it's not for me, I just move on. So I don't care. Might have to do a video or just get as many downvotes as possible. Las Vegas, I have to blow this one up. Fremont Street, Las Vegas. So this is day 3 of doing a daily video. So I don't know. I don't know if I can keep it up. This morning, I did not feel like doing it. 2 days ago, I was dead ass tired and was able to do it. Yesterday, I felt great. I keep saying, I wish I could harness this. Yesterday, did a video, did a reel, walked to the post office, mowed the yard when I got back, listed like 50 postcards, took care of some stuff for the bookkeeper. My bookkeeper was freaking horrible. For those who know me or had listened to me, I'll talk about this in another video sometime. I formed an LLC, and the bookkeeper that was recommended to me was horrible. He didn't do my books for like 5 months, and I had to just bitch at him. So anyway, that's a tangent. Then what else did I do? I did some stuff around the house, did the dishes, cooked dinner, and just busted ass. It was very, very productive. And man, like I said, I wish I could do that every day. So I'm going to try. If I can just keep on doing it. I can't remember how long it takes to have a habit form and stick. Oh shit, I about dropped the coffee. But I did walk to the post office yesterday. Felt great. Yes, and I'm still wearing the same shirt. Don't judge. Retired. Sometimes you wear the same shirt 2, 3, 5 days in a row. Hotel Yorba. I had sold this card, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago. It's been a while, and I got like $30 for one of these. Maybe it was even 50, and it ended up being trimmed. I missed that it was trimmed until I packed it, and then I told the person, I was like, hey, this is trimmed, and they're like, I still want it. And I was like, what's so fascinating about this Hotel Yorba? But anyway, I was going through a stack of postcards, and I ended up finding, with that one, 3 of them. And they go for, I undercut the market a little bit since I had 3 of them. But they usually go for now, since the great, everybody's lowballer the race to the bottom with all low value cards. Yeah, I just think I got $14 or something like that for it. So yeah, that's it. for these. So let's look real quick. Like I said, you don't need to see me actually packing these up. So we'll try to keep it under a 15-minute video. So I told ChatGPT that I was thinking, I had a lot of low value cards. So it came up with something like, okay, here. Create a YouTube thumbnail image with the title, Low Value Sales Make the eBay Train Go. I thought that was funny. With a background image of a choo-choo train with each train car after the engine being one of the letters in EBAY. Also make the train engine's smokestack puff out dollar signs. Oh, I gotta move my face. We'll just do, let me see. I gotta move my face. Hold on. Damn it. What am I doing here? I think it's gonna be fine. Oh, that was yesterday's. So you'll see it. I'm gonna use it no matter what. It could be a little better. I don't know. But we're gonna use it. So yeah, that's it, I think, for the day. I'm gonna try. Hopefully it's a little chilly out, but I'm gonna try to walk to the post office again, keep that going. I'll change my shirt and shower sometime today and keep listing. So I hope you all have a good day. Keep listing. Even if it's this low dollar stuff, it does make the eBay train chug along. So y'all have a great day. Enjoy your coffee. And hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.